Hi all, welcome to Something Talk What. Did you know that artificial intelligence is already a big part of our daily life? From the moment you wake up and unlock your phone to the way you shop, travel, and entertain yourself, artificial intelligence is working behind the scenes. Yes, in this video, we will explore how artificial intelligence is seamlessly integrated into our everyday routines. By the end, you will see how much artificial intelligence influences your world often without you even realizing it. Our smartphones are perhaps the most artificial intelligence powered device we own. Voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa use artificial intelligence driven natural language processing to understand and respond to our commands. Face recognition technologies uses deep learning to unlock phones securely. Artificial intelligence even helps with typing, predicting what you will say next, correcting typos, and suggesting emojis. Your phone camera, artificial intelligence enhanced. It recognizes scenes, improves low light images, and even adds depth effects for better portraits. Next, we are going to see online shopping and recommendations. How AI play with it. Ever wondered how online stores seem to know exactly what you want? That's artificial intelligence at work. Artificial intelligence analyzes your browsing and purchase history to suggest products. Personalized ads track your interest across different platforms. Artificial intelligence powered fraud detections products online transactions. Chatbots offer real-time customer support, answering your questions 24/7. Even pricing is artificial intelligence driven. Companies use dynamic pricing to adjust cost based on demand and competition. Let's see how artificial intelligence is used in social media and content creation. You ever think of why do certain posts appear on your feed? Yes, artificial intelligence decides. Social media. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok use artificial intelligence to curate your feed based on the past interactions. Artificial intelligence tags friends in photos, detects inappropriate content, and filters spam. Sentiment analysis tracks trends and public opinion. Artificial intelligence also fights fake news, analyzing credibility and flagging misinformation. Artificial intelligence in navigation and transportation. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we travel. In everyone mobile we have Google Maps. So in day-to-day life, wherever we go, we are using the Google Maps and Waze. So the Google Maps and Waze use artificial intelligence to analyze the real-time traffic data, giving you the fastest routes. Ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft match drivers and with riders using artificial intelligence algorithms. Self-driving cars rely on deep learning to navigate roads safely. Artificial intelligence powered traffic systems, reduce congestion and optimize signal timings. Artificial intelligence personalize your entertainment experience. Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube recommend content based on what you watch and listen to. AI generated music and deepfake videos are pushing creative boundaries. In gaming, AI makes non player characters, NPCs, smarter and more realistic. AI is making our homes smarter. Smart thermostats adjust temperatures based on habits. Artificial intelligence powered security cameras detect suspicious activity. Smart appliances optimize energy use and efficiency. Voice control devices like Alexa and Google Home automate daily tasks. Yes, artificial intelligence is already a huge part of our lives and it's only going to grow. Absolutely, artificial intelligence power up our life, but with this power comes responsibility, privacy, bias, and job automations are real concerns. As artificial intelligence evolves, we must ensure it serves humanity ethically and transparently. Yes, what do you think about artificial intelligence in everyday life? Drop a comment below. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI insights.